Trump appears set to rise 10.6% by tomorrow, based on crypto predictions analysis. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. As of this moment, Trump has lost 7.8% and is holding near $1.679. Time to see what experts are expecting. CoinDataFlow projects the price may weaken to $1.61 by June 6. That's a decrease of 4.1%. Trump is projected to reach $1.73 per traders union, marking a rise of 3%. CoinCodex notes the price could advance to $1.777, marking an increase close to 5.8%. A separate estimate by Crypto Predictions suggests Trump may move higher toward $1.857, a projected increase close to 10.6%. And lastly, Golf Capital Collector targets $2.238 by June 6, which would mean a gain of 33.3%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. Summarizing all analyst predictions, here's the picture. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a drop of 4.1% and a rise of 33.3%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Golf Capital Collector takes the lead with 33.3% gain in value by June 6. That makes it possible to earn between $30 and $333 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, Traders Union's forecast holds a 85.2% probability of accuracy. With all forecasts compared, I've formed a combined consensus scenario. Consensus data indicates Trump could move toward $1.842. Alright, let's see what's inside. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 9.7%. By the same percentage, your capital could likewise expand. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $97 gained. And the probability of the consensus forecast for Trump being realized is around 16.8%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. A bearish outlook is projected by CoinDataFlow, pointing to a decline. Traders Union believes Trump is on track to rise further. CoinCodex points to further downside potential. Crypto Prediction signals a likely move upward. Also, Golf Capital Collector points to a bullish course in the days ahead. Combining all perspectives, the consensus indicates an upward-leaning outlook, suggesting upward momentum in the near term. According to the gathered forecasts, 60% of analysts expect Trump to advance in the near term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. By the end of the session, the price stood at $1.804. With this outcome, most analysts were right about the direction. Measured by accuracy, CoinDataFlow ended up the best. Time to spell it out. Yesterday's candle included 3 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and CoinDataFlow had the highest return at 7%. Here's the daily summary: how each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. At a glance, CoinLore was given 94.6% forecast probability accuracy and 0.5% ROI. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Let's see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow compare among Trump and a few other cryptocurrencies. Trump leads the ranking for tomorrow's expected returns with 9.7%. This comparison features Trump with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. If you enjoy having everything summarized instead of scrolling through dozens of forecasts, like and subscribe. See you in the next forecast.